What is up, YouTube? So today I want to do quickly a video here. This is with the Galaxy S10 Plus camera, and I picked up the Galaxy S2 here, and I thought it would be fun to just do a quality test to see how good it records the older Galaxy phone here. Okay, so it's up and running. It was quite some time ago since I seriously did take a look at this device, but I think it did have this 4.3 inch sort of display, 8 megapixel camera, which I still would say is pretty impressive for being, was it 2011? I think so. And then we have the top over here, headphone jack, of course. No USB Type C, no USB Type C. It's just the old Android charging port. But I really enjoy how this one sort of stood out a little bit. Very, very cool. Now, if we take a look at it on the front side, we unlock it. This is basically how it looked. And this is Android 4.3, I think. Had some games over here. And if we go down like this, you can see sort of how it sort of looked. And if I click over here, you can remember this. You know, it's kind of funny how Apple users 2019 talk about dark mode. Oh, dark mode, dark mode. Do you have a dark mode? And Samsung was like, yeah, we had this a very long time ago. That's because Samsung is the best. About device, oh, it's just Android 4.1.2, which I think was the Yellow Beam version. But this phone came with Android 2.3, I think. So it was like, that was a long time ago. And it had this menu key down here, which I'm not sure if modern devices have, Sammy boy. I really enjoyed this home button. Had this like unique kind of rectangle sort of design that sort of really stood out. I mean, that's really cool, I gotta say. Yeah, let's go back here a little bit. Let's go back like this. We have this is how it looks if you want to call someone. It still is, I mean, we can see that it's not really that much that has changed in terms of user interface difference in Android. I mean, even that you had the toggles back then, it was like, whoa, they're still sort of doing the same thing, which is kind of interesting to consider. And the menu, or if you tap here on device options, yeah, I mean, it's like you had even then many options, so that's kind of cool to know. And if I look at the lock screen, very nice. And it still seems to be quite fast. Like, you can see that even back then, I mean, it was very smooth, which is also very cool to know. Yeah, quick little video here. Just wanted to try out the Galaxy S10 Plus camera to sort of see how well it sort of records. You also had this like bump on the speaker down here, and I really enjoyed this like bump up over here. It was very cool. But yeah, have a great day, YouTube.